The Solidify Plies feature can create a solid model based on the laminate ply list. Optionally, you can also create an IML surface. The ply-based solidification will of course respond to any plies added before it or plies removed or suppressed. As we see, the splicing features have been incorporated into the solidification. We will later on suppress them to see the results. Let's now exit the composite environment and look at the part level. Here we see the IML quilt. Let's hide the design surface and look at the body. The solidification is added to the dedicated body owned by the composite feature. With this being normal solid geometry, you can cut holes, perform solidification operations, and so on. If we hide the body and look at the IML, you will see that the IML is a copy of the solid without the layup surface. If we go back into the composite environment and suppress both the splicing features, you will see that the solidification regenerates and updates, removing the results from the splicing. And of course, exiting back to the part, everything updates as you're used to. Thank you.